Let's talk about the difference between focus areas and all therapy areas, and how they help you stay on track during sessions. When you first create a patient profile, you'll select the areas they struggle with. These are called therapy areas, and they give you a full view of your patient's challenges. But when it comes to running an effective session, less is more. So instead of working on everything at once, you can narrow it down by choosing a few focus areas, the specific issues you want to target in that session. Here's how it works. At the end of a session, or before starting a new one, you can select a few therapy areas to start. These become your focus areas. During the session, simply switch between focus and all using the toggle at the top. Focus view. See only the selected areas you're working on today. All view. See every challenge the patient has ever been flagged for. As you work through the session, just tap Done on any focus area you've addressed. It keeps things clean and intentional. Remember, you can switch between all and focus at any time, depending on how the session flows. Staying focused has never been this easy, and your patients will thank you for it.